Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily restore your ChatGPT history. So here in chatgpt.com, just click on your profile icon, then click on settings, and from here, just look for archive chats. Then click on manage. And from here, you should be able to see all of your ChatGPT conversations history. And if you want to restore a specific conversation, like this for example, just click on this unarchive conversation button and it now appears here. So if we try to click this, we can see all the conversation that we had with ChatGPT. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily restore your history, your chat history with ChatGPT. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!